Hey guys, it's Noah for Good Vibes Playtime here in Wine today.
Hey family, we're here today to dig a diamond. It's pretty cool. Apparently you dig this here diamond and you can get all of these types of stones, but you hope to actually get a diamond.
Yep, if it's too hard for us, we're going to just get a towel and we're going to sit it down and we're going to stop.
Yep. So these are our tools, and we're going to cut.
Yep. These are really dirty, so if you get these, please watch this video because it's going to be really sandy. And you want to have nice stuff down, but we don't because we just don't have stuff to put down on our counter, so
Why don't you hold it?
We need something on the counter.
This is
a
so
chalky
soft.
type substance.
Oh my goodness! If you guys get these, you have to touch them. You have to
here we go.
Touch them. Oh, here's the towel.
All
so
right.
let's put on the towel.
So
and
we have a
let's
little
get chisel.
hammer.
Yep, we have a chisel and we have a brush.
There we go.
So I'm gonna start shooting. I'm gonna start doing it. It's hard. You try, Ryan.
All right, let me see it. Actually, take this guy here. This
is hard.
Hammer is really pointless because it's coming apart on me. So let's see if we can't just chip away at this real good here.
This is
Woo! So it's
Let
literally like.
Let me say the way I saw in the video. This is how
It's literally like chalk that you would use in school or something like that.
our towel's gonna be blue forever.
That's pretty good.
This is our original tool review, and I'm chiseling it, guys.
So this came from Dollar General, like Nora said. It was $2.
Yep.
We did a dinosaur dig from there one time, and
But
it was a lot harder.
Yeah, we didn't know Kids YouTube resist one time, so we didn't know Kids YouTube resist. I didn't know Kids YouTube was real. So tell us if you like those dig-its. Cause I like those. Okay, this is way too hard. We need water. We need water. We need water for this. We need water for this.
You think?
Yeah.
I think I'm getting to it.
No. Let's do water. Let's do water. It's in the center. Wait, let me try.
How often is she hitting your finger?
Not very.
Okay, let me do this.
If she wants to disintegrate it, I'm okay with that.
Okay, be careful.
Tell them about the second method.
All right.
So the second method is water. I didn't feel it very much.
Yeah, if these crappy tools don't get the job done, you can stick it in water.
Yep, and let it soak.
Give me water.
Yeah, but just let it soak up. It's amusing when it's just soak up. Wait, I see the walk.
Hold on now.
I see the walk.
Let's put some more water in here.
I see the walk. I see the walk.
Okay.
She's excited.
I'm getting the walk out.
All right, hold on.
Okay, let's put it in the water. So I always see the walk. Do you guys see the walk? Oh, let me.
Hold on now.
Let me.
All right, well you gotta do it with your hands. You gotta do that with it.
Or we can use the tools.
This will be fun, babe.
We can use the tools. You see, let's wash this tool. Yeah, come on. We can use a chisel and see. Let's get it wet a little bit more. Then we can start chiseling this walk. I think we don't got a diamond, but let me see. I think we got red jade. We got red jade.
Here, let me see that chisel.
We got red jade. As you
think
see,
so?
that's the only one red, and that's the only red one. That's the red jade. You got the red jade.
It's not jade. It's red. Maybe Ryan doesn't. Cryolite.
Let me do the rest of it, Ryan. I'm a pro.
She's a pro.
Okay.
I'm good at smashing things. Hurry!
She's good at smashing things.
You got to
I
walk!
didn't get it on camera.
Ooh. It's fun. That's why we got this. That's why we got this. Ryan,
All right,
we got
brush
this.
it off.
Let's get this way. And yep, we definitely got the red one. Let's see which one we got.
Let me see, Noah. Show us.
It's
Here's
red
the one.
cryolite.
Red cryolite. That's almost like a diamond.
That's almost like a diamond.
It's translucent.
Yeah.
It's cool. So watch our other videos and watch me
All right,
smash
guys.
this. Let me watch me smash.
Be sure to like,
I'm gonna-
share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Check out our other videos. And we appreciate you guys watching. You have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.